What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be participating in the reviews. Now, Sam is gonna do the early bird, so I'm gonna wait for that. Guys, I'll be doing a video in like 1 hour for the actual reviews. Right now, I just joined for the ad. What do I say? Yeah, early bird. Oh, who is this guy? Nah, this guy is gonna try to steal from me. By the way, I'll give you guys my base score. So, I have a galaxy, moonstruck, and comet struck. Tank skeleton. That's really cool and rare. Then a comet struck and a flame, a fire trade Ketchuru. Then another gold Ketchuru. Then I have a rare Swaggy Bros. Swaggy Bros is already rare, but with the Christmas hat, it's very rare. Then I have a Lavadorito and Spinito, Barguru, Fayuru. Then I have these. Then the Tacorito, Bichicotero. That is very rare. That's what like 4 Garamas, I guess. Then I have a Spooky Combinacion, Bekuru, Eguru. I just got these today. So Sammy, come online right now, bro. Come online right now, bro. So I'll be doing the Guerrero Digitale ritual later on because I want to craft the La anniversary if Sammy adds any more of the La anniversary grande. So stay tuned for the ad reviews. I'm gonna post a video about it in an hour. Let's see how much my base makes. I haven't like checked it since like 2 months now. Oh, you said Debra. Okay, I'll try with that guy. You said Debra. You said Debra. You said Debra. Give me your. Give me that Garama real quick, bro. Give me the Garama for this. Add this and remove the last spooky. I guess he'll want this, maybe. Oh hell no! Why did I just do deal? No, add. I'm spamming right now. Okay. Oh my god. Add, bro. What does add more mean, bro? Yeah, I'm a decline. I was being too annoying. Oh, early bird. Let's go. Let's get it. Early bird. Backrooms too? Okay. I'm gonna buy the speed. Let's go. Backrooms, let me buy the speed. Guys, I streamed and now it says I can't stream anymore because there's like a thing called under 16 you can't. Anyways, I'll be clearing that. I'll sort that out tomorrow. I'll be streaming once again, guys. The stream today morning went really good. I got 100 something views, I guess. No, not 100, 35. Yeah, 35 views. For my first stream, that's good. Add something, boy. Yo, this guy's avatar is weird. What does that mean? My guy, add. Then why the hell did he just trade me if he wanted to decline? Why am I lagging? Okay. Bet. I get a secret lucky block, bro? At least there, bro. I hope I get something really good from the luck today. Sammy said he's gonna do lots of spam of good railroads. I hope he doesn't ruin any values or anything. Guys, was the trade for the Burguru a good trade? The trade was like my Garama Legend Jasakola and 2 ketchup pots for the Burguru and 5 euro. Was that good or L? Was that W or L? Then after that, before I even got the Burguru, there was a trade for my W or L base. I got 2 ketchup pots, which was like one lava and flame, fire trade ketchup pot, and one was yin yang and UFO traded ketchup pot. I traded those for who's this guy, bro? I swear some random people just keeps on joining me. Anyways, what's the flipping early bird? Sammy, my guy, I literally just forgot. Oh my god, this guy forgot about the early bird. Yeah, everybody spam the early bird in the DC.
Let's see.
I'm watching the Craycraft right now, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna mute that. I don't wanna get copyrighted. Guys, also my burger and 5 euro. I flipping got banned of live streaming for some reason. I didn't even include any music or anything. Oh. I gotta wait 3 more years, bro. I have to be 16 or something. Any luck, bro. Any Sammy. Bro always gives me that flipping. I get the most amount of money, like the 7.5% money, but never get the secret lucky block or the slap. I swear to God. I only got like 1 slap, and it was, what was it? Where was it? Yeah, alien slap on my alt, which guy hacked. Oh, hey dude. Oh, this guy. I'm not gonna block him or anything. If he tries to steal from me, dude, I'm gonna take his stuff and ban him off the universe. Okay, bye. If he joins again, I'm blocking. I don't want anyone in my PS. Flipping. Bro, where is the early bird? I swear, Sammy. It's already a bad day. Stop. Yeah, by the way, guys, I'm a Rivals player and a Boxers player. So, hope you guys are hope you guys want videos of those games. I'll be playing that tomorrow. Wait. Let me. Oh my god, this guy, bro, I'm blocking him. I know for a fact this guy is about to try and steal. Wait, I'ma get ready. If he steals, I'ma just block him. See what bro's doing, bro, I swear. Go away, nigga. Go away, bro. Bye. Lol. I really love the mutation and the traits got on this tank. It's just very what do I say, galaxified or something. It got the moon trait, then the comet struck trait. Okay, what do you want? Nordic GDs. My guy, I don't want those stuff, but I'll offer you this for your spaghetti or something. Deal, maybe. Add more. Oh no. I don't need that. I'll get my alt in the server for if he does the 1x cave. I'll be inviting my friends to the server. Okay, that's it. Okay, bro. If Sammy doesn't spawn the early bird right now, bro, I swear. Let me join on my alt. Okay, I just joined on my alt. I got the La Grande for the anniversary grande. Guys, just know my hotspot where and the Hurungini boom. I have the Easter train straight on. Like what? Is that even rare? Well, let me check my old alt. I barely use it. Let me check. Bro, I swear I had a Signore car Apache. It got flipping. It had traits too. It had flipping. What do I say? It had fire trait on it, and I remember myself deleting it, thinking it won't get like buffed or anything. Let me check my check this alt account. Let's see what this got. If it's not like, if it's under like a ketchup or oh, finally Sammy, finally I thought you were dead. Oh my god, of course very good, my guy. Let me check this alt account. Let's see. I remember having lost 6 on this. Yo, he spawned this base. Yo, I swear these all do care, I swear. Oh my god. Where is the 1x cave, I swear? He ran the spider trick. Oh, lovely, that's good. That is good. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I just hit that jackpot. Let me check this account. I'm gonna be joining. I remember me having Catholic bros. I remember Gym Bros. Okay. Bro, I need myself a Frogo, la la la. I have the swag soda. Yeah, that's my alt account. I remember myself having lost 6 or something. Oh yeah, I have it. Yep, this used to be my best brain block. I got it like at the lost added lucky blocks update. When it only had like the thing on the side. Okay. I'm actually take that for money. Load in please. Yeah, finally. Bruh, the talk of it would flipping nerf this boy, I swear. Money bros. I'll be joining on my old alt account where I stored my this thing, so to say. I remember myself having Ford Guero. Let me log in and check. Doggy bros. I swear Sammy adding these gives me a heart attack. I don't use any like sound, so like when I like yo, I just talked about a heart attack, and is that a heart beating? Bro spawned a secret lucky block and I missed it. My damn ass, bro, I swear. Okay. Yo, don't judge this account's username. This is like 1 year ago. I still store some of my brain rots in this. Let me check. Let me see. Let's see. What the heck, bro? I hate these spiders. Yep, I got the Gueros. Let me just transfer those to my main. Yep, let me just trade that. I just hit the jackpot. Yo, I'm collecting these like brain rots. I I think they're gonna get a buff or something. Since like nobody gets these. Like the Robo Graffito and Lumaca Malefica. I've been collecting those. May get the Guero Digitales from my alt account. Maybe taking this to the Guero cave. I'm blocking anyone who's coming into my PS other than my friends. They're gonna obviously try to steal, but I'll just Medusa them. After the Guero, I mean 1x ritual, I'll be stopping this video. Then I'll start like recording again on the actual admin views. It's just the early bird. There's only 40 more minutes. I'll be trading that time. I know that's gonna be boring for you also. Wait. Yo, what's that sound, man? Yo, that's creepy. That is creepy. That is creepy. Let me remove the sound. That is genuinely creepy. Genuinely disturbing.